Batapin!
No more, right? No more.
Pupunta ngayon.
Excited siya, tara na.
Ito yung day mo, anak. We're here! So ito yung hinihintay ni Ola, kaya kami nag-Japan para pumunta sa Disney Sea. So sobrang excited si Ola. And si Ola ngayon, hindi na naman nahirapan papunta ng Disney Sea. Oh. Ayan. So kasama natin si Kuya Jan.
Enjoy po kayo.
Yun. Papunta na tayo. Let's go.
At yung videographer namin, ready ka na mag-video?
Tara.
Ha?
Ba?
Diba? Let's work out!
Nasaan siya? Ayun siya. Bigla ako sa bilis. First ride, 5 out of 10 for us. Ikaw mahal.
7.
7 siya, kami 5 lang.
I love rapid rides.
No more right.
Batapin!
No more right. No more.
You're scared?
Help. No more. No more. Daddy. No help.
Ikot mo to, last one.
No more.
Natakot talaga siya, promise.
No more. Wait, no more. You shouldn't have come. That's a good choice that you didn't come. Because if you come, I think you'd had a heart attack. It went like boom, 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 boom. I thought I got shot by air.
What's your kwento?
Tignan mo yung itsura ni Ola.
We went there sa Hotel Haunted House, and then when
Tower of Terror.
Tower of Terror, and then tumaas kami. It was fun at first, hindi naman sobrang scary. At then mga few minutes, tumaas kami sobrang like boom, 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 and then nagsishake siya, and then go down. I was like this. Holding that. That's one, mommy.